In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plot A3, A4 AutoCAD drawing to PDF. We'll walk through the exact settings you need so your drawing exports cleanly, centered, and at the right size. Start in your drawing and go to the command line. Type plot and press enter. This opens the plot dialog, which is where you'll make all the choices for your PDF. First, change the plotter or printer to DWG to PDF. This tells AutoCAD to create a PDF file instead of sending the drawing to a physical device. It's the built-in option designed specifically for high-quality PDF output. Next, choose your paper size. Pick A4 for a compact, standard sheet, or A3 for a larger sheet that shows more detail. Select the one that best fits your drawing and how it will be shared or printed later. For the plot area, set it to Window. Click the Window button, then click and drag to define the exact portion of your drawing you want to include. Take your time with this selection. Include the full geometry you need and leave a little breathing room so nothing gets clipped. Now enable Center the Plot. This setting automatically centers your selected window on the page, so you don't end up with a drawing that's shifted to one corner. Also turn on Fit to Paper. With Fit to Paper enabled, AutoCAD scales the selection to fill the chosen sheet size. This is the quickest way to avoid manual scaling and ensures your drawing uses the page efficiently. Before finalizing, click Preview. The preview is your safety net. Use it to confirm that everything is visible, properly centered, and scaled as expected. If anything looks off, close the preview to return to the dialog. If the drawing appears sideways or upside down in the preview, adjust the drawing orientation using the controls at the bottom right of the dialog. Switch between portrait and landscape until it matches how you want the page to read. Check the preview again to confirm. When you're satisfied, click OK. You'll be prompted to save the PDF. Choose a clear file name and a location you can find easily, then save. AutoCAD will generate the PDF using the settings you just confirmed. And that's all there is to it. By setting the plotter to DWG to PDF, picking A3 or A4, selecting Window, centering, fitting to paper, previewing, and adjusting orientation if needed, you'll get a clean, professional PDF every time. Thanks for watching, and happy plotting.